There's something incredibly convenient about automatic cars. No clutch, no gear hunting, just shift into drive and go. But that simplicity often leads drivers to pick up bad habits. Habits that could silently destroy your transmission, ruin your fuel economy, or even put your safety at risk. So before you get too comfortable behind the wheel, here are 20 things you should never do in an automatic car. Number 17 is a silent killer for your transmission, and most drivers don't even know it. Let's get into it. Number 1. Don't shift from drive to reverse while moving. This one tops the list for a reason. If you switch directly from drive to reverse without coming to a complete stop, you're slamming the transmission against itself. It's like asking your car to sprint backward while it's still running forward. The damage? Catastrophic over time. Number 2. Don't launch the car like it's a race car. Revving the engine in neutral and then suddenly shifting into drive? That's called a neutral drop. And while it might make your car jump like a drag racer, it's also hammering your transmission and drive shafts. Unless you want an early visit to the mechanic, don't do it. Number 3. Don't coast downhill in neutral. Some drivers think coasting in neutral saves fuel. It doesn't. Modern automatic transmissions are designed to optimize fuel efficiency and gear. Plus, coasting means you're giving up engine braking and full control of the car. Number 4. Don't rest your foot on the brake pedal. Even lightly keeping your foot on the brake while driving puts constant pressure on the braking system, heaving it up unnecessarily and wearing out the pads faster. Not to mention it confuses the transmission. Number 5. Don't ignore your parking brake. Many drivers rely solely on the P gear when parking, especially on hills. Bad move. Without the handbrake, the entire weight of the car rests on a tiny metal pin in the transmission called the parking pawl. Use the parking brake, always. Number 6. Don't put the car in park before stopping completely. Just like shifting into reverse while moving, putting the car in park before fully stopping is a one-way ticket to transmission damage. Let the brakes do their job first. Number 7. Don't drive with low transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is like blood for your gearbox. It keeps everything lubricated, cool, and running smoothly. If it gets too low, things start grinding, overheating, and breaking down fast. Number 8. Don't neglect regular transmission service. Changing engine oil is common knowledge, but many forget the transmission needs love too. Skipping regular fluid changes and filter replacements shortens the life of your transmission. And let's be honest, transmission repairs are not cheap. Number 9. Don't keep your car in drive while idling for long periods. Stuck in traffic or waiting outside somewhere. Shifting into neutral or park is a better option. Keeping it in drive makes the transmission work unnecessarily, heating it up and wasting fuel. Number 10. Don't ride the brakes downhill. Going downhill in drive and constantly tapping the brakes overheats the system. Use lower gears like L or 2 to let the engine help you slow down. It's safer and better for your brakes. Number 11. Don't ignore warning lights. That little orange engine light or transmission icon on your dashboard isn't just for decoration. Ignoring it can turn a small issue into a major repair. Get it checked before it gets worse. Number 12. Don't overload your vehicle. Towing beyond capacity or stuffing your car with heavy loads stresses the engine and transmission. Every pound over the limit is making your car work harder than it should. Number 13. Don't keep your car in neutral at stoplights. Some drivers believe shifting into neutral at every red light reduces wear, but modern automatics are built to idle and drive. Constantly shifting in and out creates more wear and tear than just leaving it alone. Number 14. Don't downshift into lower gears at high speed. Automatic cars allow manual gear changes sometimes, but don't abuse that feature. Suddenly shifting from D to 2 or 1 while flying down the highway can severely strain the transmission. Number 15. Don't delay shifting from reverse to drive. After backing out of a driveway, some people wait too long in neutral before shifting to drive. This might seem harmless, but it confuses the transmission's hydraulic pressure systems and can cause hard shifting over time. Number 16. Don't let water get into the transmission. If you're driving through deep water and it seeps into the transmission, the damage is immediate and expensive. Automatic transmissions hate water. Avoid flooded roads and get the car checked if you suspect any moisture intrusion. Number 17. Don't ignore strange noises or jerky shifting. Clunking sounds, delays in acceleration, or jerky gear changes? These aren't just quirks. They're cries for help. Catching transmission issues early can save you from a complete rebuild. Number 18. Don't rest your hand on the gear lever. Yes, it's tempting, but your automatic gear lever isn't an armrest. Resting your hand on it can slightly engage the gear linkage, wearing down internal parts over time. Number 19. Don't use cruise control in slippery conditions. Rain, snow, or ice? Turn off cruise control. Automatic transmissions may downshift or accelerate unexpectedly, causing loss of traction. Keep control manual in those conditions. Number 20. Don't ignore how your car shifts. Every car has a shift pattern. If you suddenly feel it shifting too early, too late, or not at all, your transmission may be in distress. Pay attention. Catching this early can save you thousands. So how many of these have you been guilty of? Don't worry, we all make mistakes, but now you know better. And when it comes to automatic transmissions, knowing is saving money, saving stress, and most importantly, saving your ride. Automatic cars are built for ease, but they still demand respect. Avoid these 20 habits, and you'll enjoy smoother drives, fewer repairs, and a much longer vehicle lifespan. Like this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car care wisdom, and tell us in the comments. Which of these habits surprised you the most? See you in the next video.